Railway vehicle. Name and sounds.
Steam locomotives, with their majestic presence and nostalgic allure, marked the dawn of the railway era, symbolizing an era of industrial revolution and progress. Bullet trains, on the other hand, epitomize the pinnacle of modern engineering and speed, whisking passengers across vast distances with unparalleled efficiency. Their sleek design and remarkable velocity have transformed long-distance travel. Commuter trains serve as lifelines for urban dwellers, facilitating daily journeys to work and back with reliability and convenience. These workhorses of public transit networks ensure the smooth functioning of bustling cities, ferrying millions of passengers each day. Thomas trains, with their cheerful demeanor and colorful carriages, delight children and adults alike, offering whimsical rides through amusement parks and themed attractions. These beloved locomotives evoke a sense of nostalgia and wonder, capturing the imaginations of generations. Container trains and freight trains form the backbone of global trade, transporting goods of all kinds across vast distances. These mammoth trains haul everything from consumer goods to raw materials, fueling economies and connecting markets around the world. High-speed trains represent the epitome of efficiency and innovation in rail travel, whisking passengers between major cities at astonishing speeds. These sleek machines offer a comfortable and eco-friendly alternative to air travel, reducing carbon emissions and congestion on highways. Funicular railways provide scenic journeys up steep inclines, offering breathtaking views of mountains and valleys. These charming modes of transportation are popular among tourists seeking adventure and natural beauty. Double-decker trains offer ample seating and panoramic views, catering to the needs of commuters and tourists alike. With their spacious interiors and elevated vantage points, these trains provide a unique and comfortable travel experience. Electric locomotives have emerged as environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional diesel engines, reducing emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. These quiet and efficient trains power rail networks around the world, promoting sustainability and clean energy. Oil trains play a crucial role in the transportation of petroleum products, ensuring the smooth functioning of the energy sector. These specialized trains transport crude oil from refineries to distribution centers, powering industries and economies globally. Regional rail services are the backbone of transportation networks, connecting smaller cities and towns to major urban centers, facilitating seamless travel for commuters and travelers alike. These trains offer convenient schedules and comfortable amenities, making them essential for regional mobility. SEPTA, or Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority, operates an extensive network of trains and buses, serving the greater Philadelphia area. With its diverse range of services, including regional rail, subway, and bus routes. Monorails are futuristic transportation systems that ride above the ground on elevated tracks, offering efficient and space-saving transit solutions in urban areas. These sleek trains are often used in theme parks, airports, and urban centers. Tram trains, also known as streetcars or trolleys, run on tracks embedded in city streets, offering convenient and eco-friendly transportation options for urban commuters. These charming vehicles are a nostalgic reminder of a bygone era while still Railbuses are versatile vehicles used on lightly traveled railway lines or rural routes, providing cost-effective transportation solutions for communities with low passenger demand. These buses on rails offer Passenger trains offer comfortable and spacious accommodations for travelers embarking on long-distance journeys or scenic routes. With amenities such as reclining seats, dining cars, and panoramic windows, these trains provide a leisurely and enjoyable travel experience. Subway trains are the lifelines of urban transportation systems, shuttling passengers through underground tunnels and bustling city centers. These fast and frequent services provide essential connections between neighborhoods, workplaces, and entertainment venues. Intercity trains offer seamless travel between major cities and regions, providing passengers with a convenient and efficient alternative to driving or flying. These long-distance services offer amenities such as Wi-Fi, onboard dining, and comfortable seating.